In this very video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step process on how you can get Google VEO 3 for absolutely free without paying any amount of your money, guys. Without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into this very video right now, guys. It's very important to follow the step I'm about to share in this video in order to get Google VEO 3 for absolutely free. Okay guys, what we just need to do right now is go to your browser and search for the name of this website. It is called cloudskateboost.google, guys. It is a website being created by Google right now. Once you search that, it will bring you to this interface right now where you are going to see all this thing right now. You can start building your tomorrow today. You just need to click on get started right now. Click on the button that says get started. It will bring this section that it will be asking us some basic questions. Just make sure you fill it. I've done that already. I have signed up already, and you can start learning from free with our innovator program, guys. I just need to click on join. So that is what we are going to do. We just need to click on join. The process is very simple and easy. Just make sure you follow this, because you don't need any credit, and you don't need to add your credit card before you can get to use Google VEO3. And this is unlimited. You can generate up to 20 video in a day if you follow this step. Okay, so what we just need to do right now is to click on explore catalog right now. Is that, are you guys seeing that? Okay, so we just need to click on that section, that on that this place that say explore catalog. You can see planning your learning journey right now. So we just need to click on that section, on that place that say explore catalog. So we need to search something like engineer. In this search bar, search for generative AI. It's very important. Once you search for generative AI, it will bring you to this section. Just click on generative AI with Fex AI prompt design. Just click on that. Okay, so once you click on that, it will bring us to this section, which is start lab. Just click on the start lab. It will bring a captcha that we just need to solve. Okay, this thing we need to solve to just prove that we are not a robot, to prove that we are human being. So we need to solve that. After we are done with that, it will take us to another section. So this is what is going to take us. Open this. We need to open this thing in a cognito browser right now. Okay, so just let's wait for this to load up right now. Are you guys seeing the process? Are you guys seeing how I'm doing it right now? It's very important to follow the process. Once we open once we open the link in this ignito browser, it will take us to this page right now, which is still going to load up, and let's follow it right there. Okay, so once it's loaded up, just click on I understand right there. Just click on I understand, and let's wait for this to load up. It's loading. It's still loading. It's loading right now. It's loading. Okay, so boom guys, it will take us to this interface, which is very simple and easy. So what we need to do right now is to just click on I agree. So, and I agree, and click on I agree with the terms and condition. So what we need to do right now is to open this in a new tab right now. Just click on open in a new tab, and you can see open in a new tab, and click on and search for this right now, and search for Google Feed right now. So we need to search for Google Feed. Okay, so I've searched for Google Feed. It's very important to open the first link right there. And guys, it's very important to open the first link. You can see right there. So we need to open the first link. It's very important to open the first link, and let's wait for it to load up. Okay, so it's loading, guys. Just follow the step. It's very simple and easy. Just follow the step. It's very simple and easy. If you have a good internet, this shouldn't take you up to 5 minutes right there. So just click on sign up into feed. So this will automatically, you can see this is the account we created from our recent action. This is the account we created, which is a student account right there. Okay, so it will bring us to this interview. You can say hello student, let's start creating. You can see how we were able to enter Google VEO3. So you can see all the feature that we are going to enjoy as a student right there. As a student account, you can see this account, it is a student account right now. As you can see right now, you can say hello student, let's start creating. So just click on cancel, and let me show you on how we can get to use Google VEO 3. And there is a lot of feature that we can make use of right now on this website, but the main important of this video is the Google VEO 3. Just click on that section that said generate. You will see Google VEO 2, and if we click on that section again, we click on the arrow, drop that arrow, this will enable us to see Google VEO 3. So I just create a prompt right there that just to test it. You can see Google VEO 3 preview right there. So what we just need to do right now is to click on generate right there. So let me generate a video for you just to show you how this works right now. And towards the ending of this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get to generate multiple video, like how you can get to generate 5 to 10 video at once, and also how you can get to download this. It's very important right now. So just click on create. You can see right now on this section, I'm not using any credit. This is a credit free. I'm not adding any of my credit card, and also I'm not using any credit at all right now. I can I can use this as much as I want right now. You can see this is the video I generated with the prompts I gave it, and I really love it so much. So to do this, to download this is very simple and easy. We just need to click on move section and click a new and create a new folder. Are you guys getting it? It's very simple. Click on create a new folder and click on move here. Just click on create and click on move. You can see that place. Click on move right there. Okay, so once we click on move, this will bring up, you can see on title has been, so our, we just need to click on that section that say my drive. So this will take us to our drive, and this will take us to a section where we can get to download the video we just created recently, guys. And also I'm going to show you on how we can get to create multiple video right there. Okay, so what we just need to do is to click on that section to bring a button that we can click on download. So we just need to download it, and let's wait for a few more minutes to load to for the video to be downloaded right there. So this is downloading right now, and let's wait for a few minutes right now. So once the video has been downloaded, that is how simple it is right there. So you can see the video has been downloaded. You can see recent download history. You can see right there on this section. So to generate multiple video with this method, with this student's account right now, is very simple and easy. Okay, so let me try and sign in to it again. Okay, you can see this is the student account that we're still going to be using, and if this student account expired, we can just use the process I showed you from the beginning to 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 sign to create a new student account. Just make sure you use the process I gave you, guys. It's very important right there. So let's wait for this interface to load up. You can see we have done with another one, so we just need to open this in a new tab. You can see, click on this purple side, click and open in a new tab. Make sure you open like 10 in a new tab, and we can start a new video. We can start creating from scratch right there. You can see you can start creating from scratch right there. So that is how simple it is right now. You can see hello student, let's start creating, which I'm still going to cancel this, and you can start creating right there. So I give it another prompt. I gave it a prompt. Okay, so I gave it a prompt right there. So I just need to wait for this right there to load. Okay, so let's just wait and click on create. You can see the process that I'm using, and I'm not spending a dime right now. I'm not spending a dime on credit. So I move it here. The process I showed you on how you can get to move your file to this section, just click on move and click on new folder and click on create. Are you guys getting it? And click on move here. Okay, so and click on move here. Once you click on move here, it will bring this section. You can see on title video has been moved to my drive. Just click on my drive, and this will bring us to this section where we can get to download it. And to create multiple video, we just need to create like two new to create to create multiple video. We need to create different tab right now, different tab, so that we can open it at once. That is how simple it is, guys. Just try and use the method I showed you guys, and thank me later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys get value from this video. If so, give me a like and follow. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Bye for now.